Hello friends, I posted 5 questions from the topic number series on the Facebook page. If you have not seen the questions, then no problem. So you may to carry on seeing this video. So let's see the answers for each questions in detail. So in this session, we learn different patterns of the number series from the level of difficulty, from the level of easy to difficulty. So here is the first question. 10, 17, 26, 37, 50, 65, and we have to find the series after 65. So that is x. So answer for this question is n square plus 1 is the correct form to get the answer for this question. So let us see. So as we know that 3 square is 9. So if we add 1 to the number, we get 10. Unlike that, as we know that 4 square is 16 and we add with the number 1 and we get 17. So likewise 5 square plus 1, 26. 6 square plus 1, 37, 7 square plus 1, 50. And 8 square plus 1, 65. And finally 9 square plus 1 is 82. So n square plus 1 is the correct form for this question. Now let's move on to the second question. The second question is 122, 145, 170, 197, and we have to find out the number x, and it is followed by 257. So we have to find what kind of the format is going to be used to get this answer for this question. So the correct form is n square plus 1 as we seen earlier. Because in this question we can easily identify from these two numbers, first two numbers, that is 122 and 145. Because as we know that 11 square is 121. So easily we can add with 1 and we get 122. And 12 square plus 1, 145. And 13 square plus 1, 170. And 14 square plus 1, 197. And 15 square. So as we know that 15 square is 225. So if we add 225 with 1, we get 226. And the answer for the third question. So the third question is 291 and we have to find out the x, and after that it is followed by 363, 402 and 443. So answer for this format is n square plus 2. So before sums we have seen that the answer format for the questions is n square plus 1, and this answer format for these questions is n square plus 2. So let's see. So 17 square plus 2 is equal to 291. As we know that 17 square is 289. And if you add with 2, we get 291. And the second one is 18 square plus 2. As we know that 18 square is 324. So if you add we get 326. That's the answer. And we can assure that this format is correct or not. So we carry on this sum with the same kind of series. So 19 square is 361. And we have to add with the 2 to get 363. Yes, the format is correct. And 20 square plus 2 is 402. And 21 square plus 2 is 402. Sorry, I meant 21 square plus 2 is 441. So here the format is wrong here. So last step. Okay, and we go for the fourth sum. 481, 526, x, 622, 673. So we have to find out the number after 526 and before 622. So we have to find out what kind of the form is to be approached for this sum to get this answer. So as we know that if you see the number, so we see 526, isn't it, which is near to 529. So 526, if we minus number 3 with 529, we get 526. So the answer format is n square minus 3 is the correct form. So as we see that. So 22 square is 484. If we minus with 3, we get 481. And the next one is 23 square, which is 592, 529. And if we minus with 3, we get 526. And the third form is to be followed by the same pattern. That is 24 square, which is 570, 576. And if we minus with that number 3, then we get 573. And 25 square is 625. And after subtracting with 3, we get 622. And the last number is 26 square, which is 676. And after minus, we get 673. So the answer here is 573 for the blank, which is after followed by 526 and before 622. So answer format for this question is n square minus 3. And here we are at the final question of the session. So the question is 790, 836, 906 and the x we have to find that, and after it is followed by 1030. So first of all, before approaching to find the pattern, first of all gather what kind of the number you are trying to occur which is near to the squares or cube. Okay. For example 790. So try to get the square or cube numbers which is near to 790. So we get 784. So by adding 6 to the 784 we get 790. So the answer pattern is n square plus 6 for the first pattern. And the second pattern is, which is followed after 790, is n square minus 6. And then it is followed by n square plus 6, n square minus 6, n square plus 6. So I think it's a difficult sum. Okay. First of all, 28 square is 784. So if we add 784 with 6, we get 790. And the next number is 29 square. If we add with 29 square means we get 836. And 30 square is, as we know, that 900. So we get 906 after adding 900 plus 6. And 31 square, if we minus 6 with 31 square, we get 955. And 32 square plus 6, that is 1024. After adding with the 6, we get 1030. So it's a difficult. So this sum is in very difficult mode. So we have to think for more time. Okay. And friends, this session is over. So I post videos of the number series on daily basis from today itself. So stay tuned, friends, and subscribe the channel to get notification regularly based on the updates. Because I used to post not only number series, and I used to post current affairs and some relevant English topics. So please, friends, subscribe the channel to get notification regularly based on the updates. And for this session, try to study the square numbers from 1 to 30 today itself. And also I have enlisted the square values from 11 to 30. And try to get a screenshot from this slide. And I will get you soon. So thank you, friends. Thanks for your support and thanks for watching this video.